Best beginner motorcycle Yamaha YZF-R3. Choosing your first motorcycle is a momentous decision for any aspiring rider. Among the myriad of options available, the Yamaha YZF-R3 has consistently emerged as one of the best choices for beginners. In this article, we will explore why the Yamaha YZF-3 South African Rand is considered a top pick for novice riders, examining its features, performance, safety attributes, and the exhilarating riding experience it offers. Yamaha's legacy of excellence. Yamaha, a renowned Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, has an illustrious history of producing high-quality motorcycles. With decades of innovation and engineering expertise, Yamaha has earned its reputation as a leader in the industry. The birth of the Yamaha YZF-R3. The Yamaha YZF-R3 was introduced in 2015 as a successor to the YZF-R125, targeting new riders seeking an entry into the world of sport bikes. It was meticulously designed to provide an optimal blend of power, control, and accessibility. The perfect engine for beginners. At the heart of the YZF-R3 lies a 321cc parallel twin engine, delivering a manageable 42 horsepower. This power output strikes an ideal balance, allowing beginners to build confidence while still providing enough punch for thrilling rides. Lightweight and agile. Weighing in at around 375 pounds, 170 kilograms, fully fueled, the YZF-3 South African Rand is remarkably light and agile. Its compact dimensions make it easy to handle, making it equally adept at navigating city streets and conquering twisty backroads. Smooth power delivery. The YZF-R3's engine boasts a smooth and linear power delivery, which is crucial for novice riders. The parallel twin configuration ensures accessible low-end torque, making low-speed maneuvers and highway cruising effortless. Safety features. Many YZF-R3 models come equipped with advanced safety features, including ABS, anti-lock braking system. These enhancements bolster braking performance and control, especially in challenging road conditions. Sporty design and comfortable ergonomics. The YZF-R3 combines a sporty appearance with comfortable ergonomics. Its rider-friendly riding position ensures that new riders feel at ease while enjoying the aggressive styling that sport bike enthusiasts adore. Iconic styling. The YZF-R3 features a sleek and aerodynamic design, inspired by Yamaha's supersport motorcycles. Its sharp lines, twin headlights, and race-inspired graphics contribute to its eye-catching appearance. Commute with ease. The YZF-3 South African Rand is not just a thrill machine, it's an excellent commuter. Its comfortable seat, ergonomic design, and fuel-efficient engine make it an ideal choice for daily rides and urban commutes. A ride for all skill levels. While tailored for beginners, the YZF-R3 can still deliver an exhilarating experience for more experienced riders. Its lightweight frame and nimble handling make it a joy to ride on winding roads. Resale value. Yamaha motorcycles, including the YZF-R3, tend to retain their value well. This means that when the time comes to upgrade, you can expect a reasonable return on your investment. Conclusion. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is more than just a beginner motorcycle, it's a gateway to the thrilling world of sport bike riding. Its combination of manageable power, lightweight agility, advanced safety features, and sporty aesthetics makes it an exceptional choice for riders starting their journey. Whether you're a novice or an experienced rider, the YZF-R3 offers something special. Yamaha's commitment to excellence, innovation, and rider satisfaction shines through in the YZF-R3, making it a standout option in the realm of motorcycles. Riding the YZF-R3 isn't merely about transportation, it's an invitation to experience the excitement of sport bike riding in a safe and controlled manner. With this versatile and approachable machine, Yamaha has created a gem that resonates with riders of all levels and preferences.